Hey, Harlow. You having a good day, sister? Ready for breakfast? Everyone's eating. Good morning, Felicity. Enjoy your day. Good morning, Molly and Hallie. Enjoy your breakfast. Good morning. I filled up their feeder this morning. Good morning, bantams. This little lady accidentally spent the night in with the bantams. Are you regretting your choices? You want me to open the gate for you? Come on out. I'll let you back in the other side. There you go. Have a good day. Good morning, Nugget. How's your day going? Did you think I forgot about you? Sorry, you gotta let that other chicken back to her home. May I help out? It's a much chillier morning. Oh, he's still going for it. Have the chicken feed back there. Hey, you. You can't eat that. Listen, you can't eat that. Eat your food. I'm gonna fill up the bantam's feed too. Got it filled up for him. Good morning, girls. You made a big mess of your feed area. Let's get that pushed off and then I'll feed ya. I got everything pushed off their little pad area. We haven't had time to clean up around there lately, and definitely has to be a chore we do today, 'cause it is terrible. I only threw half of the bale out because when we clean up, I'm gonna make the kids clean up all of the hay that's out here, so I don't want a bunch of hay to get wasted, and we'll feed them again after we get it cleaned up in a few hours. Good morning, Dwayne. You're more active this morning. Are you starting to feel a bit better? After Dwayne stretched his legs for a while, we got him some new bedding, and he's got plenty of snacks. Be back in a little while to spray you again. Have a good day, buddy. We're coming out to get everything cleaned up. The girls see Wayne coming with the wagon. They think it's hay. We got the pasture scooped. We took out 3 wagons full of yuck. So now I'm giving the girls back their hay. The girls got new litter and mats in for the bunnies. Luca's getting Molly brushed out. She already brushed out Felicity. I'm sure Hallie's next. Giving Dwayne some walk around time before I spray him again. Hey, Charlie. Charlie's gotten a little bit spoiled today, thinking maybe he's not getting enough to eat since he is starting to be pretty skinny and Tommie's starting to be pretty chunky. So we took him and hid him and let him eat some lunch. Oh, stretch. Who would have thought this boy was skin and bones not very long ago? You doing okay, Tommie? Just hanging out on the tractor. Yeah. Everyone's just hanging out. How are you doing, Dove? Taking a nap? How about you, Bridget? You doing good? You get the leaf off your mouth? You want to eat it still? Okay. Hey, Atlee. You growing a baby in there? How are you doing, Ember? You having a good day? Hey, Harlow. You having a good day, sister? Got some hay in your hair. I'll see you later. Hey, ladies. How are you doing? Are you two being friends? I wish you all three would be friends. But I don't foresee that happening. Have a good day. How's everyone doing out here? You guys didn't eat up the pumpkin like I thought you would. Finding some other bugs right now. Everyone seems to be down and picking at something. How are you doing, buddy? Lennox had you inside earlier and got you brushed. You look pretty good. You were starting to look kind of scruffy. Having a good day? Do you guys need some clean water? Clean water so you can dirty it up again? Okay. Got it cleaned up for you, ladies. Get your bills all muddy. There you go. Cleaning them out. Silly little ducks. The amount of mud that I pour out of the bottom of the bowl when I dump it is crazy. Collect eggs while I'm out here. You girls are making an awful big mess. They always like to flick it all over the ground and waste a bunch of it. This wasn't my intention when I gave them fresh, clean water. It appears the big chickens like the pumpkins more than the little chickens. Although, they didn't eat any of the seeds that I can see. The girls just saw me getting their bowls ready, so they know I'm getting ready to bring their bedtime treats. Once again, we're doing it a little bit early today because we're getting ready to go celebrate our sweet niece's birthday, and it will be dark when we get home. You ready for dinner? Yeah, it'll be yummy. Everyone's eating. This time I held a little bit back and then poured it in Atlee's bowl when I thought that she was almost done. So it's kept her from going and getting them. But Ember hurried and went to Harlow's, and then Dove moved over to Ember's when she saw Harlow move. So now Harlow's over where Dove was. Getting the cats fed. Giving some hay cubes to the bunnies. Been giving them really big ones at bedtime when we're doing it early, so that hopefully they'll work on them for a while. But Felicity, you didn't eat yours last night, so I'll give you another small one to work on too. You're a pretty girl. You want some small ones? Maybe? Not so much? Alright, we'll see you in the morning. Hey ladies, make sure you go in when it's bedtime, okay? You too. Okay, Moose? Hey, honey. We're gonna go ahead and put you in bed, buddy, okay? All right, buddy. Here's your hay cubes. Sorry. Have a good night. We'll see you in the morning. All right, ladies. When it's bedtime, I've got the door cracked for you. Head on in. Until then, enjoy eating and finding yummy things. It's gonna be a chilly night, so we went ahead and turned on the heat light for the bantams. Got these two up here, and then it should keep Honey warm too. See you guys in the morning. Dwayne got the light on for the big chickens too. Tonight we decided to put some bacitracin on Dwayne's booty, and we decided to go ahead and start putting a towel in there for him rather than the sawdust because we don't want it to stick to his bottom. We also have noticed that he has some mites, so we've been treating him with permethrin, and tonight we feel like maybe he's healthy enough to go ahead and put some DE on him too. He didn't love it, but we got him sprayed down. Good night, Harlow. Good night, Bridget. Good night, Ember. Good night, Dove. Good night, Atlee. I hope you all had a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.